in media item, we had our three abstract methods. So the get length, get authors, and get title. So I'm going to define each of these for book right now. So let's go into book. So I copied and pasted just to make it a little bit easier. So make sure I have all the correct code. So let's get rid of this extra comment. And let's put our code in here. So public int get length. So the length is going to be return the book length. Now, we didn't define what book length is yet, but we'll get there. And this is going to be get authors is going to return authors, which is going to be authors. And we need to get rid of the semicolon and switch that to a bracket. So we'll do that as well. And this is going to be the title. So this is going to be return title. OK, so now we defined what it means to return these, to get these for this particular item. So let's define them up here. So let's make our instance variables. So we're going to make an integer called book length and an array list of strings called author. It's called authors. And we're also going to have our string, which is the title. OK, so now we're going to do this very same thing, almost word for word, in the movie class. But that's going to come out very different about what's going to get returned from, let's say, from get length or from get authors. So let's copy the code in. We're going to change it a little bit. We're going to make this movie length. And then all of the rest is going to stay the same. And so let's go back to book and get the variables from up top. We're going to put them back up on top here. We'll get rid of this instance variable, and we'll put these in. So we'll change this from book length to movie length. Save it. We'll make sure everything works properly. We'll compile the whole thing. Make sure everything works properly. Oh, so we need to import Java utilities, which includes the array list. And we're going to compile it, and we're going to have the same problem in here. OK, so why is it telling us that we need to define this as abstract? Why is it telling us that we're missing the body? So that's because we didn't write the word abstract. We need to define it as public abstract. The reason we have to write the word abstract is because each of the items within media item, some of them could have the definition within media item, but not all of them need it. So the ones that are going to become abstract, we need to identify as abstract. And so now let's run it, and we have the same problem with the array list. Cleaning up the original starter code. Now that compiles, and now all of them should compile together. Almost. And now we have completely debugged our code. We have worked through a full set of code. We have seen all the different issues that we might come up with when taking other people's code, when copying code, when moving it around. And we built a simple structure for our movie recommender.